If you hate complicated routines and long workouts, then this one simple move that I'm going to teach you today will change your belly forever. It'll give you a slim waist for the longest period of time, and you can fit into your favorite pair of clothes. My client tried this one standing move, which is so simple, for just 7 days, and the results even shocked me. Literally, no gym, no floor work. You can do it anywhere, be it your kitchen, your bedroom, or even while watching TV. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes, and it actually works on your abs, your obliques, your waist all at once. So, let's begin with a simple and easy, just one standing move that is going to finally help you attain a slim waist. But before we move further, quickly comment below and tell me which part of the globe are you watching this video from. Just give me the name of the city in the comments below. So, let's begin with the simple and easy move. But before that, we have to do a warm-up. And while we're doing the warm-up, I'd also like to tell you that I am going to teach you a simple variation of this very exercise for beginners, for intermediate levels, and for advanced level, so that you can learn all the 3 variations and get a slim waist just as desired. Now, when we finish the warm-up, I'm going to show you that one simple standing move for beginners. All right, team, we're nearly towards the end of the warm-up, so just hang in there. No giving up, no excuses. This is a play-along video where you have to do it along with me so you can see the desired results. Keep going strong. Well done. I'm so proud of you for showing up and putting in the effort. We're just about to finish. It's only 90 seconds and you're crushing it. And well done. Fantastic warm-up. So let's begin with the beginner level of this very standing move. First, you have to stand with your feet wide apart, which is more than your shoulder level. Make sure you have a stable base, and you have to keep your core muscles tight. That is very, very important. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine. Now you're going to put your hands behind your head like this, gently resting them, not pulling on your neck. And you're going to lift your one knee, but not to the full height yet. We're going to concentrate more on the twisting motion to engage those obliques. So this is what we are going to do. Let's start. Without lifting your knee too high, you're going to twist. Focus on that squeeze in your side. Feel those abdominal muscles working. Keep your core muscles tight throughout the movement. This is crucial for protecting your back and getting the most out of the exercise. Breathe out as you twist, inhale as you return. You're doing great. Just 10 seconds more on this side. Keep that concentration, and well done. Fantastic job on the beginner level. Congratulations, you've taken the first step. Now let's move on to the intermediate level, which is also a similar standing move but slightly more challenging, because we have to now raise our knees all the way high, aiming to touch your elbow to your knee at its peak. Exhale sharply as you bring your elbow and knee together, really crunching those abs. Keep your core muscles tucked in tight. Your shoulders should be pushed backwards, maintaining good posture. We want slow and controlled movements here, no rushing. Control is key for effectiveness. Let's go. Feel that burn. You're really engaging those core muscles now. Keep pushing through. Every twist is bringing you closer to that slim waist. Heat it up. You're doing incredible. This is where the magic happens, challenging yourself a little more. Well done. Well done. Congratulations. You have successfully completed the intermediate level. Take a moment to appreciate your effort. Now take a breather. Just breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth for 10 seconds. Recover, recharge, and get ready for the advanced level. All right, feeling refreshed? Now, let's do the advanced level. Now that again is the similar standing move because it's one standing move with 3 different variations, but we're going to make it slightly tougher. Instead of just 1 crunch per side, we're going to pulse for 3 times on the same side before switching. This increases the time under tension and really targets those stubborn fat areas. Get ready, let's elevate this. Yes, you got it. That's exactly right. 3 pulses, really squeezing, and then switch. Yes, that's right. You're doing it so well. Just follow along and do it with me. Feel the intensity. Feel your core screaming. In a good way. This is where you transform. Heat it up. Push through. Well done. That's it. You've just successfully completed one simple move to lose your belly fat, to attain inch loss, fat loss all at once. And the best part about this exercise, you can literally do it anywhere. Like I mentioned, no gym, no floor work required. And here's the most important part. Don't forget to do it for 7 days straight. Consistency is your secret weapon. Follow along with this very video. Play it every single day. But do give me in the comment section below. What time do you want to do this exercise? Whether it's in the morning or in the evening, what time do you prefer doing it? Your feedback helps me create content that works best for you. And if you're looking to join a paid weight loss program, where you will be given a personalized diet plan according to your needs, your preferences, your likes, your dislikes, your work timings, everything, and easy recipes with video tutorials, then you can click on the link given below in the description, and you can contact me, where a doctor, dietitian, and a health counselor will be at your service to help you transform yourself. If you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because every week I bring to you such easy videos with exercises that deliver real results. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you never miss out on our latest transformational content. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care and keep shining.